Let's open the box and see what's inside. Carefully unbox the package and take out each item one by one. Let's unbox the GLAZER press now. You'll see the manual. Take out the ice press. Turn the top switch to turn on the press. You can see a set of ball molds inside. Start by preparing your ice using the 3-inch clear ice mold. Before getting started, ensure all tools and parts are clean for use. Let's start pressing ice. Turn on the machine. Put in the ice. Press and hold the top button. When the indicator light turns red, the ice pressing process begins. Once the light turns blue, your perfectly clear ice sphere is ready to use. Feel free to press more ice or switch to a different mold to explore other shapes. Let's enjoy the art of ice pressing with Ori Future.